Music Constant. Coming down big like never before at Victory SDA Church, Kenya, with Angaza Singers. Marching.
Oh, yes.
Marching.
This is wonderful MC.
Beautiful indeed.
Check 1, 2.
Toba sauti kaka.
The ladies and the gentlemen are coming in style, led by our beautiful ushers.
Beautiful. Wenda ukafikiria ni harusi, si harusi.
Ni konsati,
Si harusi, ni concert wewe.
Utange Jawaya, kazi nzuri sana.
Oh yes.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful, beautiful.
Yes. Asante.
The gentlemen led by Movin, the ladies led by Mercy, Sister Mercy. Wonderful Angaza singers. Oh yes. Sonia leading the team of ushers. Asante sana. Hayawi huwa tumelisubiri sana, bila shaka ikafika siku ya leo na Yaweza concert.
Beautiful indeed.
Wanaume mko sawa kabisa.
Men in black.
Men in black indeed.
Men in black. Beautiful.
Hey, wanaume mko na
Men are looking sharp up here.
mko na haraka, nyinyi mmefika.
Wow, upendangi vitu za harusi.
Wanaume wako na haraka sana jameni.
Hakuna kitu kama hiyo kwa mwanaume.
Wonderful, beautiful.
MC ukiona mwanaume ana match hizi vitu, yeye ana overdo.
Ndio mwanaume anaenda hivi.
Haiwezi.
Asante sana. Oh yes.
And gentlemen.
Hey. The Angaza Singers, Kisumu City.
And we make a pause.
Thank you.
And we make a pause. And I pause again this beautiful.
Oh yes.
Not into the congregation. Angaza Singers have been in existence and they've communicated through music.
Amen.
I want to ask a very simple question. What is your favorite or which is your favorite amongst Angaza's songs? Since you...
Nayaweza.
Nilikwambia usibebe watu wengi wa Oyugis. Sasa si unaona. Unakuja hapa na watu wengi wa Oyugis. Nayaweza. Hey. Okay.
Sasa watu wa huku. Hey.
It's a beautiful question.
Right.
We are asking this question with a reason. Are we all in agreement that Nayaweza is your favorite? Somebody has a different
somebody's
opinion?
saying no from this end.
Which one? Gaga, that's your favorite?
Huh?
Okay, so because majority wameenda Nayaweza, naomba sote tuweze kusimama juu.
Right.
We all stand.
Sote tusimame.
And the instrumentalist, please play that as the congregants do the stanza one and chorus. Don't sing.
Don't sing.
We are communicating something.
Otange.
Don't sing, please. Nayaweza iendi hivyo. Wezi katuchezea. Hiyo ni Nayaweza gani?
We unaweka Nayaweza kama mguso.
Weka Nayaweza yetu.
Otange. Hey.
Yes.
And we are going to sing. And the basses, the altos, the sopranos, the tenors.
Regardless of what you're singing.
Jazo kidogo, rich days.
Just play. I want to believe that's instrumental, right?
Wanaume msituangushe tafadhali, wanaume.
Let's do it one more time.